Hi everyone and welcome to this short presentation regarding the challenges of managing your cloud and multi-cloud cost. Now, if you manage your cloud cost, it's quite hard already, but it's even harder when you have multiple sources of truth. So you might have your native cost management tools, your financial management system. You might have created in-house dashboards, and then you have the local copies on everybody's PC regarding the cloud cost data. And this, of course, doesn't help you in managing your cloud costs in an efficient way. Because if you want to do that, you need to align all stakeholders within the company and get them to manage the cloud costs based on a single source of truth. So everybody uses the same figures, everybody speaks the same language. So how do you get that single source of truth? Well, it's not easy because conventional cost management tools, they struggle to keep up with the cloud. And not just the cloud, but also the way organizations consume it. Because every cloud has its own API-based data access, meaning you have to develop your APIs for that. You need to know the data model and know how to convert that into a dashboard which is multi-cloud. Of course, there's also different pricing models. So how do you convey that into a dashboard? And then the different account structures that every cloud has. So it's not easy to just collect the data from the cloud and make a generic dashboard. And then you look at how it's consumed. It's very flexible, so usage is changing every day. You want to use tags to track your resources and the associated cost. You might use multiple clouds, so you have different data sources. Or you might use one cloud, but multiple accounts within that cloud. And then everybody has a different need for a dashboard. So you have your generic dashboards, but you also have your budget holder specific dashboards. So why not use the native tools? Well, the native tools lack the support for multi-cloud. Even Azure doesn't support Microsoft 365 or Office 365 cloud cost management. It's not within one tool. And it has limited support for AWS, but it's one of the few that actually supports a different cloud. AWS, Google Cloud, Oracle, there's no support for other clouds. So if you're having using a multi-cloud setup, you're just not using the native tools, or you're using two tools, which is of course not what you want. So you need to find the right tool for the job. And instead of trying to maybe convert your existing tools into something that they're not built for, you should use something that's actually built for the job. So what we advise you is to augment your financial management system with a tool that is cloud native. It's actually built for multi-cloud, built by cloud experts, and in that way it can keep up with your cloud and multi-cloud setup in a way that it provides every stakeholder the information they need via an interactive dashboard, whether it's multi-cloud, cloud native, whether it's an organizational view with cost centers, or it's a stakeholder specific dashboard. So, and that's where CFAX comes in, because CFAX can provide you that single source of truth to manage your cloud spend and offer all of the stakeholders the dashboards they need. Now, before I sign off, I want to give you this one. It's about cost consciousness and how to get that into your culture. So a conscious culture is a culture built on purpose. A cost conscious culture is a culture with the purpose of maximizing the business outcomes of your spend. And if that's what you want to do, then we say have a look at CFAX, because it will definitely help you manage that cloud spend and maximize the business outcomes of that. Thank you for watching. Please look at our YouTube channel for our other videos for more information about how CFEX can help you manage your cloud costs, and get in contact with us for any demos or trials.